Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate digital asset transfers with Fireblocks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin automating digital asset transfers with Fireblocks, start by logging into your Fireblocks account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Automation section in the left-hand menu. Click on Automations to open the automation settings. Next, select Create Automation to initiate a new automation process. You will be presented with various automation templates. Choose the template that best suits your asset transfer needs. After selecting a template, configure the parameters for the transfer. Input the source wallet address where the assets will be sent from. Then, specify the destination wallet address for the assets. Set the amount of digital assets to be transferred. Next, define the timing for the transfer by selecting your preferred schedule. You can choose between real-time execution or set specific time intervals. Ensure to review the transaction fees associated with the transfer. Once the parameters are set, click on Save Settings to secure your configuration. You will see a summary of your automation setup. Double-check all details to confirm accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on Activate Automation. This will enable your asset transfer process to operate automatically. Monitoring tools are available within Fireblocks to track your automated transfers. Utilize these tools to ensure smooth ongoing operations. Be prepared to adjust your settings as necessary based on evolving needs. Finally, always stay updated with Fireblocks' latest features and enhancements for optimal use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.